Hello, this is Patrick coming to you about how to import sprites to RPG Maker at the request of a few friends. So you can see I have RPG Maker open. I'm watching this back after me having done it with a very bad screen, so bear with me. You go to your database, and the first thing you want to do, which I'm just doing for these purposes, you don't have to do everything I'm about to do, export one of the sprite sheets. Name it whatever you want to name it. I think I named it whatever.jpg. Now open it up to see what it looks like. The important thing that we need to do is just take this thing and wipe it and notice one key thing about it. Each of these sprites is 32 by 32 pixels. That means that each of your sprites must be 32 by 32 pixels. Opening it up in Paint, you can very clearly see this, which I highlight. What you want to do is you want to clear the entire board, but make sure you keep each of your sprites 32 by 32 pixels. And you'll see here I erased one just for the sake of doing it and made my own sprite, which is basically laughably bad, but gets the point across. After you finish your sprite, you can move on to the next step. And again, I did this in advance, so I can't control the speed I'm doing this at. Basically, I'm just going to switch over to one of my completed sprite sheets to show you what you want to get yours to look like. As the art, I don't want to hear any comments. I kind of like it still, but this is not a critique of my skills as a pixel artist. This project went absolutely nowhere, but I did finish one sprite sheet for it. Anyway, the next thing you want to do is import your sprite. But if you import it right now, there would be a giant white background to it. Instead, there's something else you have to do. You have to use GIMP. GIMP is a program that does not work particularly well on my computer. But what you want to do is you want to import your finished sprite sheet. And so that there aren't giant white boxes around all of your characters, you need to make your sprites transparent, which is pretty straightforward. Here I just had a bit of trouble remembering where I saved my files because my computer is kind of a mess. But again, not the point. So it's pretty simple. You just go to the magic wand tool, which deletes things and leaves them transparent. You want to set your threshold to something low. I don't think it actually matters that much considering you're just getting rid of white and it clashes with the black surrounding it. But you want to delete all of the whatever color you use for transparency. It doesn't have to be white. I like to keep it white after I finish it anyway. And I'm pretty sure for RPG Maker it doesn't even actually have to be white as your transparent thing. It's really complicated. You choose a transparent color, but when I do it other ways, it tends not to work. But anyway, this is my game, and I really have no idea if you could see it well, because I'm viewing this in extreme low quality, but maybe Windows Movie Maker will fix it. I don't know. I would use some of my better software, but I'm making this video pretty quickly. Anyway, once you have finished your sprites, you can import them the same way you exported the pre-done sprite sheet. So all you do is after you've exported it from GIMP, now you import it into RPG Maker. So you can see right there I've imported it, and it asks you for the transparency color. Again, if you did what I did in GIMP, all you have to do, oh yeah, see what I did here was, this is careful, sorry. In GIMP, you want to be sure to export it, not save it, because if you save it as a GIMP file. But if you export it, and you export it as a PNG or JPG or whatever it is. So, yeah, I'll let the screen get to it. So, it just says transparent left click. So just click the white part, and I've never had any problems that way. You can try doing other colors for transparency, but this is just the easiest way I know how to do it. And then you go to Database, you click on your actors, and you set the sprite for whatever you want it to be. And that's really it. And it's really hard to see, but now I have my other custom sprite in there, as opposed to the other custom sprite I had in there. I don't think this is a perfect demonstration, but these are the instructions at the very least. I don't think you can see it very well. I know I can't. But yeah, that's how you do it.